This is the Itel CT100, the first phone in Itel's brand new Cities series. It is a budget-friendly device that is trying to shake things up with a sleek design, AI-powered features, and a big battery. All without emptying your pocket too. So the big question is this the perfect budget choice, or is it just another phone lost in the crowd? Let's find out. Starting with the design. The Itel CT100 comes in a sleek modern package weighing just about 185 grams. It is slim, lightweight, and feels comfortable in the hand. The display is a 6.75-inch IPS LCD with a 90Hz refresh rate and up to 700 nits peak brightness. The resolution is 720 by 1600 pixels with a 20 by 9 aspect ratio, giving you a decent 260 pixels per inch sharpness. That means you get a big vibrant screen that is great for browsing, streaming, and casual gaming. And here's the big plus for durability. It is IP64 rated for splash and dust, meaning it can handle a little rain or dust without going night-night. It also boasts a 1.5 meters drop resistance, so it can survive everyday bumps and drops. The CT100 runs on the Unisoc T7250 chipset, an octa-core CPU, paired with the Mali G57 MP1 GPU. This setup handles everyday tasks smoothly and even some light gaming. You get Android 14 out of the box, running Itel's pure 14.5 OS, which means a clean near-stock experience with the latest features and security updates. For memory, there are multiple options: 4GB, 6GB, or 8GB of RAM, combined with either 128GB or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. Plus, there is a micro SD card slot for expandable storage, so no worries if you need more space for apps, photos, or music. The camera setup is simple but effective for the price. The main shooter is a 13-megapixel sensor. It can shoot video as well at 720 and 1080p 30 frames per second. You're covered for casual photography and video. On the front, there's an 8-megapixel selfie camera that also supports 1080p video. Not flagship level, but definitely good enough for social media and video chats, if you don't mind some pixelation. The highlight here on the CT100 is the large 5200 mAh battery, promising all-day use on a single charge. It supports 18 watts wire charging via USB-C, and you can even reverse charge other devices if you need a quick power boost for your earbuds or another phone. Now here is where Itel really tries to stand out. I believe this is Itel's first phone powered by DeepSeek AI, if I'm not mistaken, but definitely their first at this price point, which lets you do cool stuff like instant AI translation, navigation, AI writing assistance, and general research. To activate your AI assistant, simply long press its power button. Also on the list of surprises is an infrared remote control. Yes, the CT100 can double as a remote for your TV, AC, and other IR devices. A rare feature in budget phones. With the included protective casing, the phone supports magnetic accessories like stands and card holders. And in some countries, it even comes with a free magnetic speaker, which does sound way better than the single down-firing speaker on the CT100. Sadly, it runs out of juice pretty quickly. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for quick secure unlocking, dual nano SIM with room for storage expansion, a 3.5mm headphone jack because wired audio is still killing for many, USB OTG to connect USB drives or peripherals. Who should get the CT100? If you need a long-lasting battery and reverse charging, or you want AI-powered features that actually add value, and if you appreciate durability for its splash, dust resistance, and drop protection. If you are a student, light gamer, or casual user who wants a reliable phone without splurging, and if you like the idea of an IR remote and magnetic accessories for extra convenience. And who should look elsewhere? If you want top-tier cameras or flagship-level performance, this phone won't satisfy you. Heavy gamers or power users who need high refresh rates beyond 90Hz or more powerful GPUs should look at higher-end devices. If you want 5G connection, the CT100 is limited to 4G LTE. And if you want wireless charging or NFC, those are missing here. The Itel CT100 is a surprisingly feature-packed budget phone that punches above its price with durable materials, a sleek design, AI-powered tools, and a huge battery. Even solid performance for everyday use. It's perfect for budget-conscious users who want a dependable daily driver with a few smart extras, especially students and casual users. But if you're chasing flagship specs or advanced photography, you'll want to look elsewhere. Now, would you rock the CT100 or pass? Let me know in the comments. Hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again, bye bye.